Here we go. This is it right here. Feeling world record. Ah! I was really close. Golly. I had two good ones there. That's cool if you don't want to help me and help me rebound. Really annoying, Mike's got to work. Got to work. Got to work. Really annoying. Golly, I'm all over it. Sometimes you don't get out of the room. You gotta try your hardest though. You'll be okay, Mike. Okay. Feeling this one. I'm feeling this one right here. I'm on it. I'm close. Have you been going your arm runners too? Yeah. This feels like the most work we've never done in the history of the war.
Arm runners, none of them are good anymore, dude.
Okay, I'll get some new ones.
I'm just saying, you know?
I know.
But they're already refined.
I hear you. Okay. Hey. Ah! Is it? Yeah. I bought 120 more of these that should come in pretty soon. We got 120 more of these coming. That's right. Okay. This one's going in. I'm all over it. That one hit the rim again. Here we go. Last try. 4 tries right here. This is it. I'm losing it. I'm out. Out of energy.